The website that I'm going to show you in this video was built for Falls Pest Services in Idaho. Now, in the next few minutes, I want to walk you through this website, show you what works, and why we made the decisions that we made. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what you need to do to perfect your pest control website so it's generating new leads and new customers for your business. So before we jump into this, my name is Peyton Smith with Best Pest Marketing, and we build a lot of pest control websites. So I hope that by the end of this video, you've got some great ideas for your website. So let's get into it. So I'm a really big fan of the design style of this website. You can see that there's a lot of white space. We've really leaned into their brand colors, which is this deep red. And then the only other colors that we've really pulled in are that green. Obviously that relates really well to the pest control industry, but having green for really the elements of the website that you want to draw the most attention to works really, really well. So you'll see that we are using green on our calls to action, which are our biggest focuses. That's what we want people to click and where we want them to go. But then also different things like when we have trust points or bullets or different content that we want to make sure that they see, we're going to utilize that green color. So right here front and center, we have this family-friendly pest control. Anytime you can use some of these phrases that really act as hot buttons for your customers, so family-friendly, pet-friendly, the fact that you're licensed and insured, and that you have trained technicians, these are going to resolve a lot of doubts and overcome a lot of objections that your prospective customers might have. And then right here, right off the bat, we have our get a free quote form submission. Now, it's really, really essential that we have this call to action above the fold. And so what I mean by that is people should not have to scroll to get to your call to action. So everything that is seen here without scrolling, this is considered the hero section, and we want to make sure that we pack as much useful information into this hero section as possible. And then below that, we will have other important information, but the most important stuff should go at the top. So as we scroll down here, we've got more information about our services, different treatment options. Utilizing icons really helps, again, draw people's attention, but it helps people better understand the contents of your website without having to read every single word. Now, as we scroll down, we've got another call to action here. Again, keeping this website really simple. We don't want too much information. We don't want too many links that are going to pull their attention away from the main call to action, which is request a free quote. And then down here at the bottom, we've got social proof. So you'll see that this homepage is really basic. It doesn't have a whole lot, but it has all of the most important elements and it works. And this website alone has been able to generate tons of new customers for Falls Pest. So when people do come to the website and they're ready to become a customer, they're going to click on this call to action, request a free quote, and it's going to bring them to this custom form. Now, when it comes to forms, sometimes the more complex the form is, the better, because this is going to vet your prospects. It's going to eliminate most of those obnoxious spam form submissions that you get, and it's going to help you better understand what the prospect needs when they contact you. So you've got all of these basic form inputs, right? Name, email, phone number, address, all of the bits of information that you need. And then you've also got these individual icons so people can tell you what types of pests they're dealing with, and then a description box where they can explain more about what it is that they need or what it is that's going on. And then once they request this quote, it's going to notify you via email or text message so you can reach back out to this prospect. So these types of forms have worked really, really well, and we utilize these on pretty much every single website that we build, and it does a great job of vetting those prospects and getting the right prospects in contact with you. Now, aside from this form page and the home page, we've got just a few other links. We've got a basic contact page. We've got a services page that explains more about what we do. And then we also have the ability to link out to my account. So if you're using some sort of customer management service, you've got some sort of online portal or login, we can link to that right here from the navigation bar. So if you'd like me to take a look at your website, give you some feedback, drop a link to that down in the comments. I'll make sure to respond to every single comment. And if you're interested in having us build a website like this for you, you can go to bestpestmarketing.co. All you have to do is click the button, pick a time, and book a Zoom call with me so we can talk for a few minutes and explore a few options, see if we're a good fit to work together. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you have questions or ideas, please drop them down in the comments. I would love to chat with you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.